On our way to Pangas Falls with our friend Alex. What a nice day to be out. Filipino style of delivering roof. Great idea of not getting a sunburn. Rebar is on the way. Can Alex keep up on Aaron's driving? Beautiful Lowy Bridge. Police at the back. Jaya stability check. Lobak River. Parroquia de San Pedro Apostol. Hairpin corner, here we come. Oh, where's Alex? There he is. Found another falls.
Did you see that sign?
What did it say?
For waterfalls?
No, is it closed or?
Let's go look at the sign. I don't think you or I have been there.
Oh, okay. There's one behind us. Okay.
Take a look.
Unfortunately, it's not falls enough. Let's fast forward. Let's pass by man-made forest. The Bohol mahogany forest, more commonly known as the Byler man-made forest, is a dense forest stretching to kilometers along the border of Lobak and Byler towns in Bohol. Did you know the forest is mainly made up of white and red mahogany trees? It is part of a reforestation project started over 50 years ago. When one enters the forest, one will notice that the temperature changes abruptly, especially during the hot season. Once one is under the shade of the trees, everything cools down. The man-made forest's density is thanks to the consistency in the height of its trees and the considerable spread of their branches. The young trees grow straight up towards the sky, which is largely obscured by the branches and the thick leaves. The roots of the trees are beautiful to view as they extend from the ground, climb over boulders, and curve around the land, even reaching the side of the road. Road to Pangas Falls. Get ready for the bumpy road. Please enjoy the beautiful view of nature. Roadside rice drying day. Meeting time. We feel bad for Alex taking all those dust from the road sheesh. Go, Alex, you can do it. More tourists coming. This is the sign we are almost there.
I need to get out of the sun.
closer and closer. Ta-da, we are here.
We brought our friend Alex today. His girlfriend was supposed to come along. One of Josh testing. She's doing Campo today. Well, actually, it started yesterday. So she's doing her Campo now. Jojo's not going to do Campo yet. Maybe later, who knows? Baby, going to do Campo now? I think we're going to do some Campo for a little while.
What a beauty!
We're here again.
Yeah, especially California, but yeah, we feel it in Michigan too.
Yeah, so I've got clean drinking water anytime. The pump's obviously off the solar. So.
Alright, I'm gonna go change my.
Yeah.
I got some.
No problem. And I'm not wearing the same shirt because I just absolutely love this shirt, just because we were not expecting to be 3 days.
Oh, yeah.
So I brought 2 shirts for 2 days.
I always rewear clothes here because I have to pay to do my laundry. So
Exactly, yeah. All right, babe. Get you some video, yeah? Oh, where is my hat? Dang it, I didn't get my hat.
In the bag?
Yeah. It is. I'm just gonna...
Wait for it. Did you see? I'll show you closer.
Oh! Oh, God. Wow. At least... Yeah, she's okay. Oh, we know. We've been here many times. You remember, yeah. Yeah, yeah. How, babe? No, I know. You went in real smooth. Well, I guess you're swimming now, huh? Yeah, good.
You got me?
Huh?
Did you get me full?
I think I got most of it, or all. Yeah, you want to see? Okay, you better crawl
Come here.
on all fours.
Show me.
I'm gonna slip and fall in. I've got the phone. I know it's slippery. There you go. Uh-huh. Here, let's stand in the shade.
Kuya guide on his way. This is so much fun. if you want to see me jumping from here, you've got to watch the part 2. So much to see on the next video. Let's go home to Carmen. I am a Filipino, but I still cannot get over from looking at the beauty of my country, especially the province side. So clean and refreshing to live at. Welcome to Chocolate Hills. Hungry Western guy in front of me.
Beep skip. Beep skip.
Practicing Filipino accent and pronunciation law. Dr. Tittle with his carabao. Just feeling so good to go home safely. To see our son knows how to ride and balance himself on the bicycle. Showing how he misses me so much. By showing what he have learned by himself. Making your kids not to feel afraid of doing something by themselves is such a treasure.
Go, go, go. Fast.
Go. Up, your way. Up. Oh.
Nasa kabila lang. Go. Go. Okay. Go. Up your feet, huh? Go. Up your feet.
We're off grid. Of course, we took a shower outside. Asan na? How is it?
Cheese.
Is it good?
Cheese.
Is it good?
Cheese.
Smell it.
It's cheese.
Good. Try it.
Cheese.
Yeah. You wanna try it? Good. How is it? Show mommy. Good.
How about for me? That's it? You have cheese?
Huh?
What kind of cheese do you have?
Look, cheese.
What kind? What kind is it? Parmesan? Can you say Parmesan?
Person.
Do you like it?
Huh?
Do you like it?
You don't say hi, you say, what did you say? No, not What did you say?
Huh?
No, not huh. What did you say?
Say, what did you say?
What did you say?
Huh?
Daddy, eat it first with no hot sauce.
I just put a couple drops. You know what I just remembered? They have these houses that are dome. So it's a big dome, and it comes in a kit, and you put it together, and it's good for a few years, yeah? But you can get pretty big ones, and they're really cool. It's white,
Mama.
like white vinyl, so it's not going to.
Thank you for watching.
There's a cheese.
We could put solar panels.
I
up
hope you
again.
enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bienvenido.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Bye. Until you